students, today we start the next part of permutation combination, that is combination. So what is combination? Combination is one we can say as selection, and then what was permutation? Permutation is arrangements. We are arranging letters, we are selecting letters. See the basic difference. Just once again I will come to the example. Taking three letters A, B, C. Now we are taking two at a time. We are going to arrange it and we are going to select it. So when we are going to arrange it, it will be A, B, B, A, B, C, C, B, A, C, C, A. But in case of selection, so we can selecting A, B or B, A, or is same thing. We are selecting A and B. You may select A and B or B and A. So that case it will be A, B, B, C and C. Then what the formula is coming for this, for arrangement, it will be 3p2, that is factorial 3 by factorial 3 minus 2, that is coming 6. But here it will be 3. If you arrange, it will be 3p2, but if you select, then what way this will come for arrangement. But if you select it, what way these R elements are arranged, that we have to minus, they have to divide. Here 3 elements taking 2 at a time. So, what way that 2 elements arranged like A, B, B, A, will in case of selection that will be only 1. So, we divide by 2. So, it will come in 3, it was 6. Okay, this is the basic definition. So, combination. So, what way the elements are arranged, that will not be considered in case of selection. Selection of 2 players like Dhoni and Raina, or we select Dhoni Raina in the team or Raina Dhoni, meaning is same. So what formula coming? NCR, for combination we called it C, permutation P, NCR is factorial n minus R into R factorial. So and NPR factorial n minus R. Then we can make a relation NCR is equal to NPR by factorial R. That relation we can make between NCR and NPR. So some theorems on NCR, these are very important. NCR is equal to NCN minus R. Like 9C3 is equal to 9C6. They are same thing. We can expand both of them, it will come. It is given in the book how they are same. NC3, NC6. Suppose you have to find 10C8. So better you find 10C2. That will be easier. So we will change it. So next, if NPQ is equal to NCP is equal to NCQ, then either P plus Q is equal to N or P is equal to Q. This is also another important theorem. If two combination formulas are equal and having N is same, then either P plus Q will be N or P equal to Q. And third one is NCR plus NCR minus 1, that will be N plus 1 CR. Like 9C5 plus 9C4 will be 10C5, for example. Okay, let us solve some question. Exercise 7.4, first question. Based on this theorem. This is based on this theorem. Given NC8 is equal to NC2, we have to find NC2. Just let me check. Sorry. Okay. So what happened? By using this theorem, if NCP is equal to NCQ, either P is equal to Q or N is equal to P plus Q. P is not equal to Q, then we will take the second, that is coming N is equal to 10. Therefore, you have to find 10C2. NC2 means 10C2, that is 10 into 9 by 2, that is 45. Okay, question number 2. 2NC3 is 2NC3 is equal to 12 is to 1, we have to find N. So we will open by using the formula N minus R into R is to this. Now we will single is 2 I change into divide sign. Then 2n minus 3. So we will open it 2n minus 1, 2n minus 2, then 2n minus 3 factorial. Similarly, n factorial, n minus 3 factorial. N is greater than n minus 3, so that will open greater 1. N factorial, n minus 1 factorial, n minus 2 factorial, n minus 3 factorial. These are cancelled. Then finally we get single division. This calculation you can make. N cancel from 2n minus 2, 2 taken common, n minus 1 also cancel. Finally n is coming 5. Okay. See some more questions. Question number 4. Question number 3. How many chords can be drawn through 21 points on a circle? So 21 points on a circle given means the points are not collinear. That is the one way you can say points are not collinear. So for making a chord, a line segment, we require 2 points. So directly we can write number of chords will be 21C2. That is 21 into 20 by 2. That is 210. 21 points and taking 2 points, one line segment, what is called here chord can be drawn. Okay. Now see question number 4. In how many ways can a team of 3 boys, 3 girls can be selected from 5 boys and 5 girls? So we have to take 3 boys. Number of ways will be 3 boys from 5 boys, and selection is there, and 3 girls from 4 girls. That is 5C3 into 4C3. 5 into 4 by 2. So whatever is coming, 40 ways. Okay. So similarly, you can try to solve the remaining questions, and we have another discussion later on. Thank you.